this is Gavin and welcome to NGT Outdoors. Oh, hello there. In this video I'm going to be talking about this. This is my GoPro chesty and this is a battery pack on it. And what this battery pack allows me to do is ride for longer without having to worry about charging. This is especially great when I'm fishing. When fishing, I don't have any extra batteries, so I just put my battery pack on here and then it charges my GoPro. So what I did was, on the chesty you can have adjustable straps. I took advantage of that and put my battery pack in the adjustable strap and tightened it down. And this is not coming out no matter what you do. So the only adjustable strap I have for the width of it that goes around me is this one. And that simplifies it a little bit, but not much. So all I did was plug up my GoPro, but when the GoPro is on there, I have a problem that arises, and that is that the charger is too long. So what I did is that I wrapped it up around the GoPro and it fits fine. So when my GoPro starts dying, all I have to do is click the button right there on my power pack and it starts charging. And this power pack also has a flashlight in it right there if I double click the button. So that's useful if I need to look at something or just need a little extra light. And it doesn't add that much weight either, so that's why I really like it. If you want a battery pack like this, then I would really recommend buy one off of Amazon. They're not very expensive, 10 bucks at the most. And I will link one in the description below. Now, that's it for this video. Subscribe, like, and I really hope I see you in another video.